With alphabets make words and with words make sentence. They will show few basic hand gestures as alphabet: hasta, patako, mudrakhya, katako, mushtirityepi, kartarimukha. Like that it goes on. There are about 24 basic hand gestures. With this we can make words. For example, with the first alphabet, padagam, Ida will show an elephant. In gestural language, only with the hand, it never depicts anything. There must be the body, emotion, everything coming together. Then only the idea will be clear. Now with the same hand gesture, a lion. Now Revati will show a mountain with the hand gesture Hamsapaksha. A huge mountain scaling till the peak with eye and hand gesture. With the same gesture, she will show a fish. These are the hand gestures with both hands. Now, with single hand, for example, to depict a mirror with Kataka hand gesture. The same hand gesture using to depict a flower. Now with both hands with the different hand gestures to depict war, fight, Katakam and Mushti. Now with Katakam and Muhuram to show a beautiful woman. From words, we can develop into dialogue. Now, Revati will be a boy, and Geeta will be a girl. And now he says, "Oh, you are a beautiful girl, I love you." Oh, beautiful girl. Oh, I want. I love you. But Ida is not believing. She says, "No, no, I know you very well. You are lying me." So this is the way of developing. We can is contributed by Kottayam Thampuran to Kathakali. Later on, this style of Kapalikaran version of Kathakali was known as Kalladikodan style because later Kalladikodan Chatunaya started his own school in his village. So it is known as Kalladikodan style. Now next, Pattikanthudu style. The Kalladikodan style in the later years was further embellished by Kalluvazhi Ittiraj Menon and his disciple Pattikanthudu Ramani Menon. They have brought more sophistication to the art, and their contribution has been rated as ultimate in Kathakali. This style is called Pattikanthudu style and is most popular style today. Most of the great names associated with Kathakali during the second half of the last century are the students of this school. The disciples of Pattikanthudu Ramani Menon are household names today. The great Kalamandalam Krishnan Nair, Vadayangada Kunju Nair, Kizhpadam Kumaran Nair, Kalamandalam Ramamurthy Nair, and Kalamandalam Padmanabhan Nair all learned Kathakali in the Gurukula style. All were students of Pattikanthudu Ramani Menon. All of them have attained great heights in Kathakali and have become legendary artists. Among the disciples of Pattikanthudu Ramani Menon, Kizhpadam Kumaran Nair, Kalamandalam Ramamurthy Nair, and Kalamandalam Padmanabhan Nair are fortunately still with us, guiding the destiny of Kathakali and the Pattikanthudu style. Sri Kumaran Nair developed his own style and choreographed different dance patterns to suit to the dramatic stylization and the mood of the characters. His deep knowledge in other Indian classical dance forms and familiarity with the Indian classical literature helped him to give new dimension to Kathakali. Only because of him and his tireless effort and blessings, I became what I am today. I request my students to show a small dance sequence which choreographed by him. It is for Hanuman. The character is Hanuman. Ashta Kalash.